In this video we will explain how to install Apache ZooKeeper on FreeBSD 14. Before you install ZooKeeper on FreeBSD, make sure all dependencies required by ZooKeeper are installed correctly. Here are the dependencies that you must install. ZooKeeper repository has been added to FreeBSD systems since 2012, so it is very easy for you to install it. Because ZooKeeper repository is available, you only need to make a few changes, such as enabling it in the rc-conf file. After that, you run the chown command. This command is used to change the owner and/or group of a file or directory in the file system. This command allows users to grant more specific access rights and control to existing files or directories. To enable ZooKeeper at boot, you need to add the script below in the rc-conf file. The final step is to run ZooKeeper with the service command. Once the server is up and running, you can connect to the server using the zkcli.sh command and try out a few commands to verify that everything is working as expected.